Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be installing this ladder stabilizer bar. So this is very important if you're going to be up high washing windows or painting something. It's definitely worth the peace of mind. And here's the model number for this one in case you're looking for it. And so we're going to go ahead and get started with this. It's not for use for anything over 40 feet. And we're going to go ahead and open this up and show you what comes inside. So it's pretty simple. It's just the stabilizer bar. And here's the packaging with all the parts that comes with it as well. Okay, so we're going to lay these out and just show you what the pieces look like here. And we'll be following the instruction manual, so please also do the same. This is just for demonstration purpose only to show you how it goes together, but the instructions are also on the bar itself and in the instruction manual, so we'll go ahead and get started. So the first step is to take the paint bucket or bucket holder, and so it's just this square bracket and it goes all the way over the front of it like this. And that will allow you to hang a pail for washing windows or a paint bucket, something like that. Next we're going to put on the end caps, and so that's just these little metal pieces here. And so we're going to tilt the end of this up and we're just going to put those in like so. They don't exactly clip into place, just so you know, they just kind of sit into place, and it's mainly to keep the ends from getting torn up here on these rubber pieces. So next you just slide the rubber piece on and just make sure that it fully seats down, and we're going to repeat that same process on the other side, of course. Okay, next you're going to lay the bar down and then set the ladder on top of it so the top rung of the ladder is in line with the support bar, just like this. Then you're going to take your U-shaped brackets and then the L-shaped bracket, and you'll put the L-shaped bracket on like this. Now this is very important that you have this going this way. So the L-shaped bracket comes down like that onto the inside, and we're on the right hand rung here. This is the right side of the ladder. And then the U-shaped bolt goes down over each side like this, and it has to be going this way. So it does take a little pressure to get that to seat down, but you'll just push it down and get it nice and wedged on there. Next you're going to take this flat bracket and it's going to go on each side of the U-bolt. So you're going to put on each side and put one of these wing nuts on the bottom. If you want to flip the ladder over, you can if it makes it a little easier, but you just want to line this up and screw these on. Now on these you want to go even, so do a few threads on one side, then switch back to the other, and then keep switching back so that it seats evenly and you don't have it tight on one and loose on the other side. And then next we'll switch to the other side, so we're on the left hand side of the ladder, and make sure that you have the bracket like this coming from the inside of the ladder to the outside. And again, it takes a little force, but we're going to push this U-bolt down over the front of it until it's good and snug. And so just make sure that it seats all the way flat, and that L bracket is facing this way just like that. You need it to angle outwards just like that on each side. And then it's going to be the same process with this bracket that connects the bottom of the U-bolts. And then just get the wing nuts on there as well. And then this is what it should look like completed, with the ladder again on top of the support bar. So in the instructions, they're very clear to make sure you're not putting that bracket on backwards. So you can see it is possible to do so, and then it's not supporting the bar. So please make sure you do it the way that's shown in the video. So before getting on the ladder, just make sure everything is tight and correct. Double check your work to make sure that it's all safe. And then you can lift it up and just make sure that all the brackets are proper and everything's tight. So I just lifted it up. It was a pretty windy day, so this isn't saying that the angle of the ladder is correct or anything, but just wanted to show you how it straddles the window and what it looks like. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to show you how this is installed, and it's a very inexpensive piece, and I think it's well worth the money for your safety. Again, it doesn't guarantee you will never fall, but just make sure that you install it properly, and this will definitely help you be more stable on the job. So put any questions or comments down in the comments section, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys.